Subscribe to the Sandeep tutorial channel and hit the bell icon to watch the latest videos. Welcome to Sandeep tutorial. Hello friends, my name is Sandeep. I welcome you very much. Sandeep tutorial has brought amazing video in this episode. Let's start. Upcoming number 1, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. This is the display of the phone. Android V10, 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 865. Display 6.67 inches, screen AMOLED, fingerprint sensor. 4 real camera, 108 plus 8 plus 12 plus 20 megapixel. Front camera 20 megapixel. 256 GB internal storage, dual SD cards, 4500 mAh battery, fast charging, network 5G. This is the phone. Expected price 51,190 rupees. Expected launch date 15 May 2020. Upcoming number 2, Realme Narzo 10. This is the display of the phone. Android V10, 4GB RAM, MediaTek Helio G80. Display 6.5 inches, screen IPS LCD, fingerprint sensor. Camera, 4 rear camera, 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel. Front camera 16 megapixels and 64 GB internal storage, dual SD cards, 5000 mAh battery, fast charger, network 5G. Expected price 11,999. This is the cover for the covers. Expected launch date 11 May 2020. Upcoming number 3, Xiaomi Redmi K30. This is the display of the phone. Android V10, 6GB RAM, Snapdragon 730G and display 6.67 inches, screen IPS LCD, fingerprint sensor. 4 rear camera, 2 front camera, 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel rear camera. Front camera 20 plus 2 megapixels, dual LED flash and 64 GB internal storage, dual SD cards, 4500 mAh battery, fast charger, network 4G. Expected price 16,190 rupees. Expected launch date 22 May 2020. Upcoming number 4, Reliance Jio Phone 3. This is the display of the phone. Android V 8.1, Oreo, 2GB RAM, MediaTek and display 5 inches, screen 1 IPS LCD, no fingerprint. 1 rear camera 5 megapixel, front camera 2 megapixel and 32 GB internal storage, dual SD cards, 2800 mAh battery, network 4G. Expected price 4,500. Expected launch date 22 May 2020. Upcoming number 5, Redmi Note 9. This is the display of the phone. Android V10, 4G RAM, Snapdragon 865. Display 6.4 inches, screen IPS LCD, fingerprint sensor. 4 rear camera, 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel. Front camera 13 megapixels. Next, 32 GB internal storage, dual SD cards, 4100 mAh battery, network 4G. Expected price 11,190 rupees. The package is this type and 3 colors are available. First phone is this, second is this, third phone, fourth phone, fifth phone. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and don't forget to like, comment and share.